After we've given a name to our YouTube channel, which is step one, we can play a little bit with the design, a little bit with the content. Let's see how it's done. I'm already inside YouTube, logged in. I'm going to click on the top right hand corner and choose my channel and go into channel settings, where we can play a little bit and improve, let's say, the layout or even the content of the channel for our future consumers and customers. Info and settings, we already saw this tab when we changed the name of the channel. Let's also add a description. Let's do something like apartments for sale or rent in the beautiful Chelsea area. Don't hesitate to contact me. You can obviously do much better than me. Tags, we can use tags like apartments in Chelsea, for instance. Real estate. Let's just help people who are searching on YouTube. Let's save for now. Make sure that everything is written down, and you can see it's been added to the layout of the channel. Title is already here. We saw it in the last video, but what we can see here that the text that we use as a description has been added to this part. Now, what else can we edit? Back to channel settings. Let's do a little bit of work around the design. You can add a background to YouTube. The background is a file that you need to generate, a JPG, and I'll give you the exact dimensions that would look best on most computers. You should generate a file that is 1260 or 1260 pixels wide and 960 pixels height. Okay, 960 and 1260 across the screen. But on YouTube you will only see the left side and the right side, because the channel itself will hide most of the visual. So what you need to design is a graphic file that has 150 pixels of data on the left side, 150 pixels of data on the right side, and some sort of general background in the middle. And everything has to go inside 1260, 1260 pixels wide. So let's choose something that I prepared in advance. Choose a file. I'm going to choose one of my files that I use often as a background, and of course you can design whatever you want here. It's going to upload the file, and then in a minute we're going to see exactly how it looks. The maximum size, as you can see here, is 1 megabyte, but my file is only 200 kilobytes, so it shouldn't have any problems uploading. You can decide whether this edition will be fixed or scroll. So as you scroll down, if you add a lot of videos, it basically scrolls with you. Let's choose a scroll, why not? And I always like to save immediately, done editing, and see the impact of what I've done. Okay, and there we go. Here is our very nice background. I'm using my Remax background for most of my channels. Very easily done. I did it myself. You can see that there's no graphic design here. But obviously you can use a graphic designer and make it a little bit stronger. But it's nice. It gives, like I have to say honestly, in a lot of screen resolutions, people will not even be able to see the background. But when it is available, as on this computer, it's nice that it looks well. Another thing that I'm going to add to the channel settings is an avatar. So again, it's a nice touch. People can see who you are, see your face. So I'm going to choose again a file that I prepared in advance. Let's check this one. Use your picture. You can use a logo. You can use anything you want. You see, it looks much nicer. Again, done editing just to see how it looks like. The image appears exactly next to the name of the channel. Let's go back for a second so we can see it more clearly. You have the name of the channel. You have the picture, this avatar thing. You have the background. And I'm sure you can agree with me that this is a much nicer looking website. And obviously no videos are online yet, so it looks a little bit empty, or let's say a lot empty in this area. But very nice graphic design, very simple. An avatar, and again a graphic background, 1260 wide, 960 high in pixels, and you're on your way. So go and get it.